Here we've got OPPO Reno 3 Pro, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select home screen and wallpaper, scroll down and click on set wallpaper. And here you can pick some from static wallpapers, live wallpapers, or from your own photos, but I will choose something from this album. And here you've got all the options, so as you can see we've got plenty of them. Let me choose for example this one. And then just click on Set As if you like this picture, and decide if you want to cover just your lock screen, your home screen, or both of them, and I will choose both. And as you can see, from now on you've got brand new wallpaper, and also your lock screen is covered with this new picture. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.